Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create a bill and inventory tracker in Coda. So what we can do, first we start with new doc, start blank doc, then next would be to create a table, right? Before that, let me make it bill and inventory template, right? Now another thing I can do is create a table, right? Now here I will start with bill name. Second, I will have a list of fixed or variable bill. Then next would be frequency of bill, like weekly or monthly or quarterly. I can have notes, but I will remove it for now. Then comes due date. So let me remove this and go with title due date, and here we have amount, right? So we start with text type, then frequency. Here I will have a list, fixed, variable, right? Then frequency, again list, so weekly, then 14-day or 15-day. Then we have like another option of 28 days monthly, right? Then another bill could be, let's say, 5 days type, or we can stick with these list option. Then comes due date. Column type, we are going to make it date. Amount should be of number, and it should be currency. So let's say bill for fuel, so car fuel, right? Fixed or variable frequency weekly, due date let's say 17th, amount say 49.99. Then comes repairs, right? Frequency fixed, let's say it has like 28-day cycle, due date should be like 24th. Then 39 is the common amount that we get out of this table. So this is the bill and inventory table that you create in Coda like this. You can have more conditions. Based on that, you can change the columns and also have coloring to your columns or rows based on that.